How's it guys, I'm Udini and today we're going to be looking at the PC Builder air cooler series known as the Zephyr Chill. The Zephyr Chill air series coolers consists of two units, the 90mm and 120mm. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that we've just ordered them, they've just arrived at our house, and we are going to unbox them for the first time.
Okay, we're going to be unboxing the Zephyr Chill 120 and the Zephyr Chill 90. So the same product but different specifications with regards to the fan, and obviously because of the fan we are going to have different sizes in the cooling element, the heatsink, as well as the copper. But let's start off with the 90mm.
Now it's pretty obvious what they are. They are air coolers that have been designed to be affordable and also easy to install. But more importantly, they've been designed for entry-level CPUs, and on an Intel front, they are compatible with Intel LGA 115X, so all of the 115 series, 1200, 2011, and 1700. On an AMD side, it's compatible with AM3, AM4 and AM5. Both the 90 and 120mm sport one fan each with an RPM range of around 800 to 1800. Each of them has a different life expectancy, with the 90mm having a 20,000 hour life expectancy and the 120mm having a 40,000 hour life expectancy. For heat dissipation, the 90mm has 4 heat pipes and the 120mm has 6 heat pipes. For the fans, both devices have the generic 4-pin motherboard headers, as well as for RGB, they have the generic 3-pin motherboard headers so that when you do connect it to the motherboard, you can sync the RGB. The Zephyr Chill air cooler series are aimed at budget and entry-level chassis or builds for entry-level and budget type CPUs. Its affordable cost, ease of use and installation makes PC building both fun and convenient, and in each box you will find the cooler, the accessories for the cooler, as well as an instruction manual. Start building with PC Builder. Guys, I'm Udini. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave them on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.